हिंदी में शायद आपको भी जानकारी होंगे कि हिंदी में एक कहावत है जिसको मैं थोड़ा पढ़ के सुनाना चाहते हैं। खिसियानी बिल्ली खंबा नोचे, यही हाल है वित्त मंत्री जी का। वो वित्त मंत्री नहीं, खींच मंत्री है। वो देश की अर्थव्यवस्था के लिए हानिकारक है। उन्होंने प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ मिलकर इस देश को रसातल में पहुंचा दिया। इनका एक ही ध्येय है, हम दो और हमारे दो। देखिए, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी की कोई मनगढ़ंत तथ्य नहीं। ऑक्सफैम की तथ्य ये कहते हैं कि हाउ ये हिंदुस्तान की हालत और ये हालात को सामने रखते हुए हम हिंदुस्तान के अर्थ मंत्री जी को ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि हाउ डज सी एक्सप्लेन दी दैट द लॉकडाउन मेड India's billionaires 35% richer, while 84% of households suffered income loss and 1.7 lakh people lost their jobs every hour in April 2020 alone. How does she explain that income increases for India's top 100 billionaires since March 2020, which was enough to give each of the 13.8 crore poorest people a check of over rupees 94,000 each? FM's misplaced priorities include tax concession for corporates in financial year 2019-20 that amounted to over 1.4 lakh crore. Instead of creating jobs, they used for money for cleaning up their balance sheets. आपको ये भी जानकारी होंगे लोन राइट ऑफ के बारे में। In 2018-19, banks wrote off about 2.38 lakh crore of non-performing assets, which are mostly loans defaulted by corporate. But the FM will soon scorn at every given opportunity if the issue of waiving loans of farmer ever arises. ये मनरेगा की एग्रीकल्चर आउटले, सब्सिडी, एडुकेशन, एक के बाद एक आप देखते जाइए। How does she explain reducing the outlay for agri and allied budget from 1.54 lakh crore in previous budget to 1.48 lakh crore in this budget, a cut of 6%? It has been reduced from 5.1% to 4.3% of overall budget. What could be the possible explanation for slashing the Manrega a fund in her budget? The allocation to Manrega has been cut from rupees 1.66 lakh crore this year to rupees 96,773 crore in 2021, a cut of around 42%. Petroleum subsidy. Each and everybody of our country has been suffering because financially because of the unprecedented hike in petroleum products. See, the petroleum subsidy, which goes to the subsidies LPG and kerosene, drastically cut by 68% from rupees 40915 crore to rupees 12995 crore. ये भी आप जानते हैं लगातार हिंदुस्तान के डीजल, पेट्रोल और रसोई की गैस की दाम किस ढंग से बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, इजाफा हो रहे हैं, ये भी आप देख रहे हैं। तो इसे सरकार हमारे ऊपर ज्यादा गुस्सा हो जाते हैं। दे आर गेटिंग part of they are getting rattled when these pertinent issues are being raised by our party men, our party leaders. Instead of instead of delivering the appropriate answer to our queries, questions, and etc., the government and in general and today the finance minister is particular has been hurling the derogatory remarks against our party leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji. So this is the government which does not honor the leaders and workers of the opposition party by riding roughshod over the opposition questions, concern. They, the government has been trampling each and every demand of our party and the common people in general across the nation. So that is why party thought it prudent to at least flag your attention that the economy of our country has been in a stasis. Unemployment sector has been registered a dismal scenario. Overall, the, across the country, we are witnessing an unprecedented downturn in each and every sector.